Pag-uusapan natin ang instant impact ni Marcus Smart sa kanyang pagbabalik sa lineup ng Los Angeles Lakers. Matapos mawala ng 9 games, Smart didn't skip a beat at agad sinolusyonan ang pinakamalaking problema ng team, ang ball handling. Sa kanilang 101-73 win laban sa Phoenix Suns, pinatunayan ng 32-year-old veteran na kaya niya pang punan yung gap na iniwan ni Luka Doncic at Austin Reeves. Despite being on a minutes restriction, Smart's playmaking gave the Lakers a much-needed offensive boost and a puncher chance heading into the playoffs. Kahit 6 na puntos lang ang naitala niya, nagpakitang gila si Smart sa ibang aspeto ng laro with 7 assists, 5 rebounds at solidong depensa. Since unlikely na makalaro sina Luka at AR sa first round, ang by-committee approach sa playmaking ang magiging sandata ng Lakers. Kasama sina LeBron James at ang nag-transform na si Luke Kennard, si Smart ang magsisilbing lead creator kapag kailangang magpahinga ni King James. His veteran leadership and high basketball IQ are exactly why Luka Doncic recruited him to Los Angeles in the first place. Speaking of LeBron, sa edad na 41, he is still turning back the clock as the team's ultimate alpha. Credit to Coach JJ Redick for getting creative sa paggamit kay LBJ through post-ups and screens. Pero hindi pwedeng iasa lahat kay LeBron lalo na't nakafocus ang depensa sa kanya. Dito papasok ang kahalagan ni Smart. He can bring the ball up and set the table para sa teammates niya. As he ramps up his minutes for the postseason, Smart is proving to be the stabilizer that the Lakers desperately needed after the last week's injury nightmare. Pero hindi lang sa court may aksyon dahil nagulat ang lahat sa stunning release ng Lakers kay Kobe Bufkin. Inaasahan ng marami na si Bufkin ang magiging future piece ng backcourt pero biglang nag-decide si Rob Pelinka na i-waive siya para magbukas ng roster spot. This move hints at a buyer's remorse or a shift in priority dahil sa dire injury situation ng team. By opening this spot, the Lakers are now looking to convert one of their two-way players into a standard contract just in time for the playoff roster eligibility. Ang mga frontrunners para sa slot na ito ay sina Drew Time at Nick Smith Jr. Parehong naging productive sa South Bay Lakers at ang huling laro ng regular season ang magsisilbing perfect audition para sa kanila. Si Time ay kilala sa kanyang energy at hustle sa frontcourt, habang si Smith naman ay pwedeng magbigay ng kailangang scoring at playmaking sa backcourt. The front office needs to decide quickly before whoever gets the spot might actually be called the play meaningful minutes and a high-stake playoff series. Kayo ba Lakers fans? Sino yung pipiliin yung i-convert ng Lakers into a standard contract? Si Drew Time ba o si Nick Smith Jr.? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. I will now step back. Bye-bye!